Righto guys, we just thought we'd take the opportunity on this vehicle to show you a few of our products that we have fitted out. This vehicle was presented to us from Tropical Auto Group Rockhampton. The vehicle is pre-rego, so they're getting this vehicle ready as a promotional vehicle for the Tropical 4x4 business side that they're looking to promote. So very happy to work alongside the local dealer in fitting out this vehicle to get them a bit of exposure and get some of our products on the vehicle. So some basic things, but we thought we'd run through a few of the features of what we've done to this vehicle.
Start the airbox if you like, whatever you want.
So we'll start up front guys. This is our high flow 4-inch airbox. This one has been optioned with an oiled element filter, can also be optioned with a paper element filter. Our oiled element filters aren't similar to any brand of oiled element on the market, so they are specifically suited to off-road application. We've had ISO testing done to ensure they are up to the task of the harshest environments that you'd expect in the Australian environment. So high ISO rating on these, and you won't be let down by this filter package. We have installed preemptively our fuel filter bracket. So this is designed to mount typical Fuel Master or other aftermarket fuel filters on the market. Our airbox does come a little bit further back in the engine bay, so our fuel filter bracket is required when installing an aftermarket fuel filter. This one's obviously coupled up with a Safari R-Max snorkel. These snorkels are a full 4-inch snorkel up to the outlet, so it's quite an easy coupling to our airbox. They're all configured to work together quite easily. This is with our standard plumbing kit, so up to the factory mass airflow sensor, and so no alteration to the airflow meter and how it reads. There's no cutting up any of your existing componentry to refit the airflow meter or anything like that. And all air intake air still passes through that factory housing, so no alterations to tuning needed with install, but a tune is always recommended to get the most out of any induction or exhaust package for that matter. Alright guys, so with our 4-inch exhaust systems, 4-inch is the only system where we do offer. So we've got them for 300 series and the 79. In both cases we do opt for mandrel bent sections. So as you can see in both tails, there is no welds actually visible from outside the vehicle. So we design the product on the vehicle, have it scanned, have it mandrel bent, so it turns up to us in a singular form. We then take it from there, polish it, put flanges, etc. on from there. So as you can see, you can't get a more cleaner finish and a more professional high-end finish than what you can see here. Brackets all laser cut, folded, extremely nice finish, no paint on any of the flanges or welds or anything like that. So everything 304 TIG welded and a premium standard product for all of our products. Alright guys, even though this is DPF back, we still do get a really nice note out of this system. Even if it's single exit, this one being dual sounds even better. But this one does have a resonator muffler in it, so it is possible to option this without a muffler, and that's very much reasonable if we're doing DPF back. So we'll start it up, get it warmed up and give you a little bit of a witness on what it sounds like. Right guys, cheers for watching. We like to present all the information on our products, so if you want any further information on anything we manufacture or you're interested in purchasing, shoot us a line, shoot us a comment below, and we'll give you what you need. Cheers.
Yeah.